Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up on the HBL mobile app. First, you need an active HBL bank account, and your mobile number must be registered and updated with the bank. Make sure your ATM or debit card is nearby, as you will need it for verification during the registration process. These initial steps are absolutely crucial for a smooth setup, ensuring your account is fully ready for digital access. Next, open your phone's App Store, either the App Store for Apple devices or Google Play for Android. Search specifically for HBL Mobile and select the official application, identifiable by the HBL logo. Tap to download and install it, and allow any requested permissions, such as network access, to ensure full functionality. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the Register or New User option. You will then input your full 11-digit HBL account number, or alternatively, your 16-digit debit card number. Follow this by entering your registered mobile number and your national identity card number, which helps confirm your identity. A crucial step is verifying your identity. The app will send a one-time password, or OTP, as an SMS to your registered mobile number. Carefully enter this 6-digit code into the designated field within the app. After successful verification, you will be prompted to create a secure 4-digit or 6-digit login PIN for your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.